Y'all, I was absolutely 100% not planning on releasing a video today, but you know what? I feel like I need to. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. I'm not going to take up much of your time today, but if you have this particular scoreboard, and I'll show it to you in depth in just a minute, you need to watch this video because what I'm about to share with you is really time sensitive, but very, very helpful information. So let me go ahead and flip to the overhead camera so that we can jump into what I'm talking about so that you can handle your business. All right, so what I have here is the We Are Memory Keepers Trim and Score board. So this is the second generation of this board. The first generation had the score mark at the 5.5-inch mark, which is a very common scoring point for a lot of us, and that presented a problem. So they went back, tweaked it, and they moved the fold mark over to the 5.25-inch point, which is not as common for us as the 5.5. And the board simply folds like this for easy storage. Both boards were great, but they also made another major change when they switched to the second generation, and that was the style of the blade. Instead of the blade that basically ran underneath in the center, they offset the blade and they came up with this design here, which is a pretty nice design. And you can see how the blade sits right here on the tip. It's not here in the center the way that it was with generation 1 of this board. Both boards are great. No matter which one you have a great board, but there is currently a real problem. And that problem is a shortage of blades for this particular board. This style blade right here is very difficult to find. And when you do find it, you tend to pay a whole lot more for it. I did manage to find some from various sites. I didn't buy them. These are actually from my stash, but they come in a 2-pack, and one 2-pack on one site was $23.40, and one 2-pack on another site was over $10. Y'all, that is absolutely ridiculous. And y'all, I like to make sure that I keep at least 4 or 5 packs on reserve so that I never run out. Well, I'm down to my last 2 packs, and I finally found a replacement. And guess what? The replacement for this, 2 for $2.21. Now, how is that possible? I don't know. I don't care. But I know that that is the price. I placed an order. I received my order. I didn't order many just in case they were not the right blades. But I did receive some blades. And I am here to tell you, the blades I received work just like this one. But there is a very noticeable difference, and I'm going to bring them in. These blades are pink. This one says We Are Makers. This one says We Are Memory Keepers. So these 2 blades are identical. I have one right here, and you can see when I hold them in my hand, they are identical blades. So of course I'm curious, why are they different? Well, I looked on the back. The We Are Makers is being offered under the Nicole Craft brand. The We Are Memory Keepers is what We Are Makers used to be, and they were offered under American Crafts. But I did some digging, and I found out that the Nicole Craft brand is actually an umbrella under which they are now buying companies and folding them into the umbrella. Guess who one of those companies is? We Are Makers. So I don't know how that plays into the current shortage. I don't know how that plays into the color difference, but I do know that at the end of the day, what we want to be able to do is cut paper, and we can cut paper with these. I'm going to take this, put it on my board, and you can see that I have both of these on my board. They both slide back and forth very easily. I'm going to take this one, my old one, cut that paper. Move this out of the way, take that pink one, cut that paper. So what I want my end result to be is the ability to be able to cut my paper. Do I care that my blade is pink? I do not. Not at all. Do I care that I'm able to find replacement blades? Yes, I do. Do I care that I found those blades at a fraction of what everyone else is selling blades for? Absolutely. So in the description box, I am going to have the link for these blades here. If you have this scoreboard and your blade looks like this and you need replacement blades, you really need to head on out there and grab some, because I checked and there are about 1,500 in stock. I expect those 1,500 to really be gone very quickly because so many people are looking for replacement blades. So if you need some blades and you go out to this site, please don't just order one pack. You know you need blades for a while, and you know that these blades will cost more down the road. These blades here on average are about $6 for a 2-pack. You can get them for $2.21. Now the site that I'm sharing with you, I am not affiliated with them at all, and I want to make that very clear. I don't have an affiliate link. I was not asked to do this. This is completely non-sponsored. I found a great deal. I found something that fills an immediate need for a lot of us, and I want to share it, and I want you to take advantage of it. Order as many as you can afford and order them now, because I hesitated about making this video because of the problem that we experience with resellers going out and buying up all of the stock of a much needed item and then selling it for very high prices. And I had an internal debate about whether or not I wanted to share this in a video or whether or not I just wanted to send out a community post to my viewers. And I thought, okay, that's just a little bit selfish. I'll tell everyone at the same time, and those of you who want to go out there and take advantage can take advantage of it before other things start to happen with an item that is in high demand. So I'm just going to give you a heads up on how I ordered. I ordered enough to get me through 2026. I know how often I change my blade, and I know how many I probably need, and I ordered just a little extra to get me through, because for $2.21, even if these come back out, if the price is not $2.21, I'm not buying them. I'm going to stick with these, and I will use these until I don't have any more left. So I hope that you found this helpful, and I hope that those of you who are looking for replacement blades will take advantage of getting some of these. Don't let the difference in color stop you, because it doesn't matter how it looks. It matters that it cuts. So y'all, that's it. But I do want to let you know that I have a video that I'm planning to do about scoreboards. I get a lot of questions about my scoreboard and why is score over here versus over here. We're going to talk about it in an upcoming video real soon, but I wanted to make sure that I let you know about these blades, because once I run out of these, you're going to see my blades are pink. So I know I'll get a lot of questions about that. So head on out to that link, grab yours. One thing that I forgot to mention is they have 10% off up to $100 in a purchase. So you're basically going to be able to get these for $2 a pack versus the $2.21. And if you want to avoid paying shipping, just make sure that you order up to $45 worth of items. Check out the scrapbooking items that they offer on there as well. So hopefully, whether you choose the free shipping option or not, you'll head on out to the website and grab some of these We Are Makers trim and score refill blades that look like this. And on their website, the item number is 661267. 661267. Y'all have a great rest of the day. I will see you later. Bye.